Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be reviewing Craig Faster. Now Craig Faster is a rusty monster truck, or pickup truck, whatever you want to call him, who supports the medicated bumper ointment trademark Rusty's, as well as the car it sponsors, Lightning McQueen. He's seen at the back of the tent in Cars 1. And now it's history. Now in Cars, Faster listens to McQueen and gives a speech inside the Rusty's sponsor tent at the Roast Building of the South. And I believe he only had 2 releases, one in 2016 and the second in 2022. And fun fact, here's some fun facts. He's named after Cars and Cars 3 graphic designer Craig Foster. His name appears on a ticket and in the end credits of Cars 3. And he also has the same surname as a June Faster, Speedy Comet Hauler. Okay, let's have a little look at him now. And yeah, as I previously mentioned, he's rusty. He got big wheels, hence the name. He has a monster truck. And you can probably see his tongue. Probably see his tongue hanging out. Or is it hanging out? Well, it's showing, that's for sure. And he got quite a big grill. Now, a DB1, this is the Chinese variant, so 2016. And look at how flexible these axles are. Look at them. You probably can't see it that well. I'll just get my trusty light. Trusty ring lights. I love ring lights. Can't do my finger. JJ Everett Rose, Henry the Weird Good Fingers. How flexible these axles are. Well, they're very flexible, that's for sure, isn't it? See, he might be based on an old F-150, but what do you think? Tell me in the comments down below, okay? I believe that's, let's see here, that's pretty much all there is to say. Goodbye, my precious!